In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Breakpoints are essential for ensuring that your website looks great on all devices, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, head over to Wix Studio, the web platform specifically crafted for agencies and enterprises. Once there, you'll notice a familiar interface designed for intuitive use and maximum creativity. Start by logging into your account. Click on the Login button, which you can easily find on the top right hand corner of the home page. Logging in will take you to your dashboard where all your projects are conveniently displayed. Once you're on the login page, you'll have the option to continue with Google, which simplifies the process if your accounts are linked. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. This step will seamlessly take you to your Wix Studio dashboard where you can start working on your projects right away. Now, let's focus on the tools that allow you to adjust your website's layout based on different device sizes. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an icon that allows you to manipulate the size of your website's canvas. Click and drag this icon to resize your view. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to see how your site responds to different screen sizes. Alternatively, for more precision, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a default setting of 1280px. Click on this option to manually change the width. Enter a new pixel value that corresponds to the device or breakpoint you are targeting. Directly editing the number gives you control to test different sizes accurately without having to guess. Once you've typed in your desired width, remember to click Apply. This button is crucial because it confirms your changes and adjusts the layout of your site accordingly. Without clicking Apply, your new settings won't take effect, and you might find yourself wondering why nothing happened. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using breakpoints in Wix Studio. By mastering this skill, you can ensure that every visitor, regardless of the device they're using, will have a seamless and aesthetically pleasing experience. Remember, responsive design is key to keeping your audience engaged and satisfied. Take some time to explore these features and experiment with different layouts and sizes. As you become more comfortable, you'll find that customizing breakpoints becomes second nature, allowing you to concentrate on the creative aspects of web design. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing.